Got you slipping.
Oh, Miru's freaking hatch.
What we got here then, Saj?
We got fucking Cadbury's dad.
Cadbury's dad.
Cadbury's dad. There's the Cadbury's son.
What size are them wheels, mate?
Fucking, you're very fat. 16s, 15s, 16s.
Yeah, you got it right. 16s, mate. It's a bit high, aren't they? Gaffer, open the bonnet, please.
It's not Miru.
Big S, do it, man. He's gonna drop it. Not Gaffer. Hello.
Oh, Dad, he changed this. He changed it.
Last startup for 2025. Yo G, what's going? Welcome to BMT, aka Big Sag.
Gato?
Gato ko picture. Yo, I'm only excited because it's season 8 and the engine's still in one piece. So we've got another engine.
Alhamdulillah.
Turbo's all good, so you know, got a new one coming. One's button, big turbo.
Who's that someone?
Big Chow, they're going to do 200 miles an hour next year. Me.
I did.
What is that? How are you?
She didn't. I'm alright,
Okay,
alhamdulillah.
yeah. She's alright, baby. She's out here. She's still running. She's lovely. Engine's coming out. And
Why is the engine coming out, Jam?
I'm retiring. Finished. Sold everything to Miru.
Everything, but that's gonna make his car slower.
Beat you. But yes,
We joking, Jam. We joking.
you're gonna find out why.
We're gonna find out why you're taking out the engine later on. Oh yes.
The whole engine's coming out. But
Coming
it is
out.
going to be coming out this week because we let them know one thing. The box needs to come off because every year I send the box off for a service, if you want to call it.
Yeah.
No, saying that, alhamdulillah, that box has been great for me this year.
Okay.
I must have done easy another 60-70 passes, all in the 170 pluses as well. Not all, but you know, majority of them. Alright man, I need to fix my split shaft. No one knows what's going on with the split shaft, do they?
Split shaft. What's happened?
You forgot that we made
Oh,
extra
the fucking
When we
bracket
get
thing.
into the photo show, I'm
Yeah.
okay. This is what you call jamming the high risk.
The BMT business.
We're going to change a few more bits over. We're not going to let out the secret yet, but we're going to change all of this shit around and, you know, make it look a bit more nice if we can. Don't get me wrong, I like my bay being full, but it's just a nightmare in and out, swapping out engines. But I think we need to take a break. This smoke's getting a bit too... I don't know if you look up there, show them the light, because it's got petrol in there.
Smoky.
Alright, officer.
See your license, please, mate.
No, I don't care.
Anti-social behaviour. No, no, no.
I don't care.
You know, stop resisting. Stop resisting. Oh, he's gone. You're the slowest getaway driver ever. Somebody's got a new car.
We got a new...
Why do you have a new car, Miru? Is a four-door not fast?
So I have bought myself a hatch. The 4-door is amazing, beautiful, but this is the street daily cruiser.
Oh, here we go.
Come closer, Abdul.
What we got?
I haven't done nothing to it yet. I've
So
literally
you bought it like this?
Yes.
What's it running? Chow.
I don't know. It's got a
Alright.
K20 in there with a 6-speed gearbox. A lot of you might know this car. I don't actually, should I say? There's a video, an infamous video, where the policeman drives the car in Birmingham, not in Birmingham, I don't know which area. I think it was Leicester or Burton, one of them areas. And he does like a pull in this car. So it was this car.
It's the policeman's car.
It's the police EG.
The police EG, alrighty then. Look at the colour on this bad boy. This baby Cadbury. Ooh, it's flaky. It's nice. That is nice.
I've only done one thing
You've only done one thing.
so far. Carbon.
Okay.
That's it.
Alright then. What else is going carbon?
Bonnet and a spoiler.
You're gonna get the infamous duck lip quack quack quack. Duck makes them himself, you know. The name
Oh,
of
yeah,
the
and
duck.
I've put a lip on there.
Alrighty then. Wheels. Yo.
I'm gonna change the lights.
Okay, how come?
I don't like it.
What's wrong with these lights?
They look ugly.
Oh, it's got a film on there. They're not actual amber corners, are they?
They look ugly. I've got one piece headlights on.
One piece.
I'm gonna leave it like this for now. I'm gonna drive it like the way it is.
Mhm.
But eventually, probably put a 2.4 in and boost.
Oh yes.
I don't know, maybe keep
So
it 20.
that's why you wanted to race.
Well, your
Coupe against the hatch. 20 against a 24. So we got ourselves a race. Coupe against the hatch. Soon come wherever
At
Miro
pod
is.
though.
A pod. Yeah.
We're not allowed on the streets. Or we can race on the OG.
What do we race here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, just 60-foot race.
We can do the best 60 foot. AJ, where you going? You heard about racing and you're gone?
Yeah. Gotta go. I gotta go.
Go on, AJ. Wow.
Let's see the food of the shop.
We can't leave this open now, can we? Can I do this with one hand? Can I? You know what, these bonnets are heavy. There we go. Baby Cadbury ready for the street. Me surfer getting put back together too. What's in a box, Jam, eh?
One of these spare engines, lad.
Who cares about your dad, bro?
It's my dad's cuz. No one got
Hey.
this.
No one can touch your dad's things. Not even Miru.
No, even you.
I don't want it.
You need it for your all time.
I don't have an all-wheel drive.
Yes, you do.
I have a coupe.
A coupe. I'm going to Japan.
Are you going to Japan? Can I come with you? Oh, cool.
They're gonna call you, what's the word?
Fat.
Those are gonna call me fat. We got no engines, do we?
No, what I'm using for my gearbox. Hammer. No,
Gotta lift it up higher. Yeah. Come on, my geezer.
I'm lifting that tire with this.
Come on, geezer.
Look how going.
Alright, stop there.
Oopsie.
Oopsie. Put it over there. Just leave it out.
Where's your glasses?
I forgot them.
Musa, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Why are you the same colour as the mini surfer?
I'm so surfer.
And yeah, but
I
yeah,
don't
go
know
on.
because my mum said you got these colours. Don't
Okay.
know why.
You don't know why.
I don't care.
Who's Alan?
I don't know.
It's the latest BMT build.
Okay, we've got so many sticks here. These are all.
Miru, you're trying to shot me some go faster parts.
You like these ones?
They're bang on. They're alright, they'll do the job.
Well, I'm sorry, these are mine.
Oh,
They've even been bubble wrap for you.
what the hell are these, mate?
Boy, these actually don't look too bad.
So we're taking parts of a fast car to go on an even faster car.
They weren't even on my car, you madman.
Meant to go on a fast car.
Same thing.
I just
Yeah.
need to get this polished.
Laughing, bro.
Ciao.
Do you think I should move the FT2?
What's the plan first?
We need to get that over there. This is going with the purple car is.
And purple car's coming in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's move the FT2. Just
That
move.
bonnet don't look too bad on that coin.
The what?
The bonnet don't look too bad.
No, it doesn't.
It's in a nice place.
Yeah. It's not fully bubble wrapped anymore, but
What the hell? You just
I'm gonna get my.
yeah.
that's where he gets it from. Send me your details, please. I will
No.
get you paid off ASAP.
No worries.
Right away.
How about you just give me them 4-piston guides? Huh? I said that? Who said that? Did I say
Four
that?
piston guides,
Did I say that?
naughty man.
Something not right.
Hey, don't forget it. Come on, man. Let's push, man. This booster's died, man.
Dragging a whip.
Who needs skates?
Who needs skates?
It's big size.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay.
It's the strongest 7-year-old in the world. Very good.
You know what them say? Instagram fucking.
Pasha gave me a number plate.
What number plate was it?
Musa Jamshid.
That's not real.
You see?
MU 54 BMT.
No, MU on the, he had it on the Colt. Musa BMT.
He bought it for, Pasha bought it for Musa, so big up Pasha. Say big up Pasha.
Big up Pasha. Big up Pasha. Bikes are so fast.
Does anyone want to sponsor his drag racing career? He's starting in a junior dragster.
Big up for you. Green.
He's starting, Musa, he's
helmet.
starting drag racing.
Yeah.
This kid is worldwide, he's international, famous, and dangerous.
I'm not doing those summers. I have to go for a driving test. 3 at 3.6.
Dad, I'm going to give you a turbo, okay?
What?
For
No.
your build.
Oh, this is gonna be some jamming special. Wow!
You can't wait.
Bro, that's a casing.
Yeah, you got to do the rest. Can't wait to try the enhanced turbo. We're also going to try the all-wheel drive as well. 78, 85.
Boy,
Can't wait.
guess what? Has it coming? You said it, now it's coming.
He hates you. I'm joking, man. Don't hit me.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Jamie, put the order in.
Put the order in. Put the order in.
Put the order in.
I need one as well, to be honest. No, we're not ordering yet, Saj.
Okay.
This week is World Cup
Oh,
in America. So all of the people are busy.
where's the watch party?
I don't know, where should we hook it up?
Anyway, I'm active. World Cup watch party.
Or sit in the cold.
We get a TV set up in here. Or projector. Turn the lights off. Mine bring sleeping bags. Is it cold? So I got sliders on.
Comfortable. How's the story fuck you up?
Yeah, man.
Why is that? He goes to me here till late.
8, he said, not late.
He said 8. You know what he said, oi? 8.
Told you, but I don't want to annoy you.
No waste man, you know, brethren.
You don't want to annoy you,
Fucking
Baba.
straight. We go, you know. Ma. 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 You know, what do you get the tool thing, man? You gotta do with that? It's gonna be a bit of a mission. Like
Shush!
Chop that.
Under jaw.
Under the slip off.
System deuce. Wrong bags.
Baba, how do you fix it?
How do you fix it? Buy a new bag, buddy.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. This is gonna be road legal as well.
This is full road legal.
MC
Like that,
Pasha.
yeah.
Go for it.
Drop
MC
a bomb
Pasha.
like that, yeah. You ready, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Drop two balls, man. Come on, balls.
Jamie, what you do?
What you do? I need to take off my this what I borrowed to this basically. We don't need it for this one. This turbo needs to go and get repaired. I'm in my mum's car. Vroom vroom. So I just realised
Chats me.
I've got a block there that's been glazed for the piston that I've got over there and the rods. And
Can I have it?
All it needs is
Don't
crank
say
and bearings.
Don't say crank.
I don't know who took it.
But my crank, Rob. I'm never gonna find a crank. I'm thinking of just buying a K24 from Rush.
Just do it. Just do it.
Just do it.
Just do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. That fix me hair. Is my hair alright?
Sajak.
Don't mess with me, no blood.
Sajak. I'm shooting.
Jamie got a snail. Ooh, that looks
It's a turbo
nice.
that you want. 6870.
6870.
This is a pretty lethal weapon. This is.
I know you're wrong. Me edition.
I cut my hand so many times on that.
Did you?
Okay, while I hold this onto there, someone needs to hold the clamp in position.
Yeah.
Right, you gotta, it's gonna be a bit of a dodgy one.
A dodgy.
Let me see. And then you want this right there. Right there, like that. Ah! You see, he didn't even flinch, he didn't even care. Yeah, that's pushing on now, Jay.
Jay.
Don't let go, Pasha.
Don't let go, man.
Don't do it.
That's after. Oh, you.
It's on the floor, it's on the floor.
Turn
You know,
it.
my arms are hurting me now.
Yeah, I don't care, don't.
Yeah, you think it's funny? Watch. Watch when I let go this turbo, yeah? I think we were hitting the ball, yeah. Ball.
We hitting the ball.
Oh, yeah, you joke. I was hitting me,
Hit him,
bro.
man, hit him.
Why are you hitting ball for?
I'm letting go now. Okay, that's
Ball. Oh, yes.
Look.
Look
Look at that. Man up. Look at that, man. That wasn't me. Push that down.
I'm gonna race AJ.
11.
You gonna race AJ?
I'm gonna race AJ and everything. Stock battles, street battles, drag strip battles.
You don't want the box shit. Oh, not the box shit. The banana man to come out, do ya?
Banana man, boys, meant to call it sort of Scorpion.
The
It's called-
Scorpion?
Yes.
Scorpion is it
From
yellow?
Mortal Kombat, yeah.
Is it yellow?
Black and yellow Scorpion is.
Is it? Where's your Snow White? White Widow.
White Widow.
Why? Hash.
Yo.
You know what S2000 called?
What?
White Widow.
Don't say that.
Why?
This is the Widowmaker.
What's this one? Oi? Iceman.
Bebsy with the butt.
This is Pepsi back on street.
No.
You're saying you're wrong, ball with the butt. Imagine you're at Hook.
Pepsi. Pepsi. Anta Pepsi. Anta Pepsi. Man. You keep your mouth shut. What are you doing, mate?
And that's it. That marks the end of today's episode. Even though it's not done, it's making steady progress.